Let's all agree on one thing. AI is here to stay. And if you are not incorporating it in your business, I can tell you for a fact, you will eventually get left behind. Not only does AI saves you a lot of time and effort, it's way smarter than we think. Many people still don't know how to use AI effectively. And that is why in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to grow your business on Pinterest. Basically, from title to description, images, and automation. I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step in this video, which in turn is going to 10x your reach, which leads to visibility, and that gets you a lot of traffic and sales for your business. The first step is doing a quick niche research, and that is by coming over to trends.pinterest.com. This is a platform created by Pinterest itself, which gives their users insight on what is trending and currently working on the platform. However, if you don't have a niche already, don't worry. This is still a great starting point, and I'm going to show you exactly the best niches to promote on Pinterest using two parameters. And I'm going to touch on that in a moment. So the first thing you want to do, like I said, is to come over to trends.pinterest.com. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you can start doing your niche research before we then move ahead to start using AI to create high quality pins for our Pinterest business. Okay. And you want to then go over to interest. As you can see, this section right here is going to show you topics and trends for whatever interest you choose. Okay. So once you click on this drop button, you're going to see various niches right here you can choose from. Like I said, if you already have a niche in mind already, you can just come over here and select your niche. However, if you don't have a niche already, this is still a good opportunity to pick a niche of your choice. So we are going to take the animal niche as an example. So once you do that, here you are going to see various keywords that are currently trending on Pinterest. I'm going to take rabbit as an example. So once you select any of the keywords under the animal niche, there are two parameters you need to look out for before you make a decisive decision if you want to go into that niche. And these parameters are going to give you useful information if that niche is currently worth it right now or not. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to the date range. And here you want to change it to the past 6 months. This is because you want to make sure in recent times this niche is currently getting a lot of traffic. So this is the first parameter you want to look out for before choosing a niche. So if this first parameter checks out, then you can go ahead to continue doing your research. Okay, so the second parameter you want to look out for is the demographics, which basically contains the age range of the audience and also the gender. As you can see for this keyword, the most people who are interested in this keyword are between the age of 18 to 34. As you can see, based on the data provided to us, and over 60% of females are interested in this niche. And now you may be wondering, why do you need this information? This is going to be very helpful when we start using AI to generate our content, because we want AI to create content that connects with our target audience rather than just generating generic content that does not resonate with people we are targeting. I hope this makes sense. So that takes us to the next step where we are going to start using AI to create our content. Like I said, AI is going to create the title, description, images, and also help us with automating our Pinterest pin, right? So the popular one out there is chatgpt.com. So you want to simply come over to this platform. It's 100% free. You can sign up here, as you can see the top of the page. So once you create an account on ChatGPT, you want to then enter a prompt, which is going to help us generate high quality Pinterest pin, which we will then be posting on our Pinterest account. Like I mentioned earlier, we want to give this AI tool as much context as possible so that it generates content that resonates with our target audience. And you want to type in something simple like this, and don't worry, I'm going to leave this prompt in the description below, and you can basically edit this template to whatever niche you're working with. So you want to type in something simple like, I want you to write 10 high quality Pinterest pin titles and description for me. They will be published to my Pinterest account. However, here are key information I want you to keep in mind so that you give me SEO optimized answers. Also, make the answer feel human-like so it's relatable to my audience. As you can see, ChatGPT is going to tell you your prompt is perfect and clear, just as you can see right here, which means it's going to then give you the exact answer you want. As you can see here, it has generated SEO optimized titles and description for us, which we can then go ahead to use to create our Pinterest pin. Now that you've generated SEO-based titles and description, that takes us to the next step where we then want to create images. And keep in mind, Pinterest is a visual-based platform. You want to create image or video-based content. And that takes us to canva.com, which you can use to create amazing designs for free. All you just simply need to do is to click on the sign up button. Once you create your account, you'll be able to create amazing things like this. And so you know, this is a free template I use to create this Pinterest pin, which you can do in less than 30 seconds. And now if you're wondering how to create this type of pins, all you just need to do once you are in your Canva account is to simply click on the social media option right here. Once you do that, you want to come over to the top and you want to type in Pinterest. And the reason you want to do this is because it's going to give you a lot of Pinterest templates you can basically use to create pins in less than 30 seconds. And just like that, it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to see various templates you can use to create your Pinterest pin. As you can see, this is the exact template I used to create this Pinterest pin. And now for images, you can simply go over to royalty-free platform like Pexels.com and you can use any of these images for free without copyright issues. And if I scroll down here, you can see this was the exact image I used to create that pin, like I said, in less than 30 seconds. And now you want to make sure to add something like read below. And this is because once we upload this pin on Pinterest, we want people to go over to the description of our Pinterest pin so that they can find the description of our pin right there. I hope this makes sense. And this brings us to the next step where you want to then create a Pinterest account. If you don't have one already, you're simply going over to Pinterest.com. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can create either a personal Pinterest account or a business Pinterest account. And I highly recommend going for the business Pinterest account. This is because it's going to give you advanced tools, which is going to help you track and see valuable insights on how your pins are performing on Pinterest. And if in case you want to run paid ads in future, you can do that with a business Pinterest account. And so you know, it's absolutely free to create an account. All you just need to do here is to click on the sign up button. Now, once you create your Pinterest account, you will then be able to create your pin like this. Once you upload the image, you want to then enter the SEO optimized title from ChatGPT, and you want to do the same for description as well. All you just simply need to do is to come over here, copy the description, and you want to then paste it right here like this. It's that simple. And here is a bonus tip. If you are promoting any product, be it a service, be it a digital or physical product, or if you are doing affiliate marketing, which is my favorite, by the way, you can use the description to drive traffic to your affiliate website. For instance, let's take the rabbit niche as an example. So if you come over to Etsy.com, and this is a platform where people sell various products, okay? So if we type in rabbit right here, you're going to see a lot of products people are selling on Etsy. So if we click this product here as an example, people are buying this product. And if we take a look right here, you're going to see a lot of reviews from people who have purchased this product. And if you're someone like me who is into affiliate marketing, you want to go over to affiliate networks and look for a product that you can promote instead of creating the product yourself. You never have to deal with manufacturing or shipping of the product. You don't even have to deal with customer service as well. All you just need to do is to make a sale, and you're going to make anywhere from 5 to 80% of that sale depending on the product. And now if we take Amazon Associates as an example, if we type in that product here as well, Rapix lamp, you can see this product is listed on Amazon going for $17. So if you are signed up to Amazon Associate, you can easily promote this product and you can start making money from every sale you make. All you just need to do is to come over to the Amazon Associate program right here. And once you sign up, all you need to do is to sell the product and you earn your commissions. Okay. However, if you don't want to use Amazon Associate, there are so many other affiliate networks out there from ClickBank, Digistore24, Max Bounty, and so many other ones out there. All you just need to do is to go over to Google and you're going to find many of them. So once you sign up to any affiliate network of your choice and you find a suitable product for your niche, you want to make sure to create a simple landing page and you want to then paste in the landing page link right here. Okay, you never want to link directly to an affiliate link as that can get your Pinterest account banned. Okay, you always want to create a landing page first. You want to make sure to add tags related to your niche as well. And finally, you can schedule this post to be published to Pinterest at a later date of your choice. So all you just simply need to do is to repeat the same process and you can schedule as many things as you want.